The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is here, and in this video we will be doing the battery drain test to give you an idea how much battery improvement has made in this year Ultra flagship. But before moving on, we have set the brightness to 100% and it is connected with the Wi-Fi. So guys, let's begin the video and see how this device is going to be performing. Now guys, here we are at the end of the battery drain test, and the S23 Ultra lasted 8 hours and 32 minutes in this extreme test because I have tested with 100% of a battery health, and it included 4 hours of gaming and 4K video recording for 1 hour and plus some social media apps. So all in all, this is going to be a pretty great test for the S23 Ultra. Do note that in real world scenario, your result will be much better than mine. And you guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.